Blurry, blurry, blurry.
0 feet altitude. 0 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 100% battery.
Very blurry. Look at that crap. Let's get an initial. That's what happens when you take off and there's like grass in front of the camera. It's not a pretty picture. Alright, I'm going to run the mission. I don't know how well this is going to go because it is breezy. And I can hear that guy up there fighting the wind a little. So, we'll see if we make it. May have to abort.
(221 feet altitude. 5
Wind
feet
is
distance.
coming
3 miles per hour. 95% battery.
pretty much in the direction the drone's going to go. Yeah, it's zipping around pretty good. So wind is coming from the south. So we'll see when it turns south what happens. But I should have connection. So, well, I will have connection. So if it hangs, I'll take over, fly manual. Emmanuel. I don't see any coyotes out today. That's a good thing. Yeah, there was a coyote here a couple days ago. Following the deer
220
around.
feet altitude. 1,837 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 89% battery.
He didn't see me, and the more I think about it, the more, you know, from what I know, they usually don't travel alone. And maybe he was, could have rabies, but I don't know. He wasn't acting crazy or anything. He was basically just following a group of about 6 or 7 hood rats. They saw him, and they ran away on him. And he just kind of trotted around after him, and then they went into the woods, and he didn't go in the woods. He stayed out in the field, and he went across the street. Got a steady breeze because we got some storms coming in. Thunderstorms. So when it turns here, this will be
257 feet altitude. 3,852 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 81% battery.
could slow to a halt here, so we'll see. It's doing good. It's not really that windy, it's just kind of breezy. Now it calmed down. Alright, we'll go.
(307 feet altitude. 5,409 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 75% battery.
Now it's slowing. Well, I'm causing it to slow down because I'm spinning it. Get back pointed straight. There we go. Right now it's at the furthest point out. There's a lot of pounding going on.
299 feet altitude.
The Apple Orchard.
5,949 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 67% battery.
Probably can see some rain on the horizon. Some bad weather coming in. That's why I came out a little earlier. It's only 6 o'clock, 6:15. What time is it? 6:30. There's thunderstorms on the way. Oh, here comes somebody, huh? Get the fuck out of here. Must be it could be the owner there. What's his name? Norm.
$255 feet altitude. 5,031 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 61% battery.
I am very surprised I didn't get hung up in the wind anywhere. Very, very surprised. Unless it happens at this turn. Although it shouldn't. I shouldn't say get the fuck out of here to people. That's not nice. Get the fuck out of here. It's a public place. Everybody's got a right to be here. Even a coyote.
$293 feet altitude. 4,073 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 56% battery.
Signals get a little weak. But I got good numbers. It's on the way back. I don't see any hood rats, bears, coyotes, moose, wild boars,
302
woodchucks.
feet altitude. 4,715 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 50% battery.
Just me and another human over there. It's at Amazon yesterday. That's coming along fine. Uh-oh. I see a hawk. Well, he's nowhere near me, the drone, but he's out there. That bastard. I gotta keep an eye on him.
$203 feet altitude. 2,359 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 45% battery.
Great numbers. Now it's going to do a loop-de-loo around the orchard. Good speed. Wind is calm right now. I didn't think I was going to be able to pull a mission off. I thought it would be too windy. But apparently not.
201 feet altitude. 1,634 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 39% battery.
Yeah, it could be because I'm low too, so. I'm going lower now here. Down to, what is it? 223. I was flying at 300 before. Now the wind's picking up.
$168 feet altitude. 2,926 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 32% battery.
It's got the tailwind right now. The tailwind and the tail end of the flight. The hawk went the other way, thankfully. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain for a little while. I checked my radar on my map and
136 feet altitude. 1,821 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 28% battery.
I checked my radar on my map and it looked like it was about an hour away, the storm.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Perfect. There he is. That was a way heck of a lot higher than it looked up over those trees. Little Autoland.
Mission ended. 225 feet altitude. 101 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 22% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 22%.
Yeah, that burned a lot of battery, probably because I had it going at a good speed. And it's not that long of a mission. Usually that would have taken 15, well, I should be able to fly for about 18 minutes. I'm down to only at 13. So I lost about 5 minutes from the battery fighting the wind.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
But that's quite alright. Rather live to fly another day, like I like to say. Look around the skyline.
29 feet altitude. 6 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 18% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 17%.
Yeah, sky doesn't look that crazy. See the flag.
Warning, aircraft battery at 14%. 2 feet
Oh,
altitude.
Glory's blowing pretty
6
good.
feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 12% battery.
As it was coming
Warning,
down,
aircraft battery at 12%.
a bird just tried to interact with the drone and was wisely had changed his mind. So that was okay. 15 minutes 40 seconds for that flight. Maybe I'm gonna go over to the church and fly around over at the Amazon place just to get a look. I'm not gonna do the low level one though. So nice flight. Get
Warning,
about
aircraft battery at 11%.
zip it.